Welcome to day 2 of Dig In with Tech. Today you have options. There are 2 different tracks. You can decide to either do the podcasting or the screencasting track. They're very similar in that they both have an instructional video with them and then some readings, and then you have time to make a product, either a screencast or a podcast. And so it's entirely up to you. If you're not taking this course for credit and want to do both, go for it. If you are taking this class for credit and want to do both, go for it. But you don't need to submit both for a grade. So you can decide whichever one you want to do first and then focus on that one and go back to the other whenever you feel like it. Whichever option you choose, you're going to make a ton of mistakes. Screencasting and podcasting is hard. I've recorded without the sound being on. I've recorded without the cursor being on, which I think I still left in for the initial Teams video, and I really wanted the cursor to be there. I've had the computer eat my files before, so just be prepared for some frustration and bumps along the road. You'll get better with it, just like everything else, but there's still going to be wild cards that get thrown in at you. And so I hope that you'll have some fun and you'll learn some good skills. Before I let you go off and jump in on whichever track you want, there's some YouTube things that I want to show you that can really help your students make it a more accessible experience for them. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do that. So we're going to look at Josh's red cabbage indicator video. So I can turn on subtitles and closed captions here. These are auto-generated. This is automatically done for all of the videos that you can see on YouTube, I believe, unless you specifically turn off that feature, and I can't imagine why you would. Some closed captionings you can upload a file, so they're better than the auto-generated ones, but you can see this is doing pretty well. Another feature here under settings is playback speed. Right now it's set to normal. You can make it slower. Okay, or you can make it go faster. I honestly, if I'm watching a tutorial and it's something that I'm pretty familiar with and I just need a little bit, a lot of times I will put it on super fast. If it's something where I'm trying to learn content, most of the time I will move it up at least to like 1.25 or 1.5. I've signed up for quite a few online professional development opportunities, and it's been nice to be able to just kind of zoom through them if they aren't something that's really intensely needing my attention. So that's definitely something that you can teach your students how to do and give them a little bit more agency in how they are navigating your course. The amount of videos that they're maybe being expected to watch can be a lot. And so being able to go fast through the parts that are familiar or easy for them to understand and then slow it down or go back to normal when they're getting to the parts that are more difficult or challenging for them can be a really interesting thing to do. Just like when we're skimming through a book and then we have to close read when we get to a part that's particularly pertinent to what we're trying to learn. We have those same tools to do with video. So I hope that was helpful. Good luck on day 2. I am really looking forward to seeing what you have for me at the end of the day today.